The opportunities that we have, and many of these insurance professionals don't necessarily need something full-time. That's not what they're looking for. And so we get excited, we approach them, we say, hey, look, you can start offering our products and you can add it as a stream of income. And oh, by the way, we've got Super Saturdays that you can come to and different Zooms that you can get on. We're gonna fill you with all kinds of great things. And the reality is, there are some insurance agents that are looking for a change in their career. I mean, they're looking to take a new direction, that might be attractive, but many of them out there are just looking for something simple. I don't know very many insurance agents at all that don't want some extra income, and I don't know any insurance agents that are not looking to solidify the relationships that they have with their clients. And when they offer our products, it does both of those. It checks both of those boxes. Yes, they can earn extra income. It really helps to solidify those relationships because they're offering multiple solutions. And the insurance world is competitive. They're looking for anything that they can offer that will set them apart from the competition. So all of those things are great, and they don't have to take a lot of their time. And so I would just say, general rule, attract instead of attack, and just keep it very simple. Again, y'all, we've got this incredible system that has been built that you and I can plug into and take advantage of immediately that can earn them extra income. And just think about this for a second. It's been said, if you had an insurance agent today that had 300 clients, and all of a sudden they rolled our products out to those 300 clients, and a certain percentage of those people enrolled, and if you did that a couple times over, what does that start to do to your business? That's why this is such a great, and even though it's not a new opportunity, and I really believe it's an untapped opportunity that we're ready to tap into.
So, just in closing, this is just the beginning. We just started. We've always had a general agent agreement, but